Good morning. Today, our group project focuses on the issue of underage smoking, which is a serious issue in between the teens today. Our group members include Zohair Haider, Mustafa Ahsan, Taha Yasir, Ayan, and Abdul Hadi. Underage smoking refers to the people under the age of 18 obtaining and using nicotine products such as vapes and cigarettes. Even though it is illegal in many countries, including Pakistan, children still are able to gain access and use these products.
Underage smoking is an important issue. This is because smoking at a young age can cause several health problems. For example, a human brain, it continues to develop until the age of 25, and use of tobacco and nicotine, it could negatively affect our learning, attention and memory. It could also cause long-term problems. For example, it could cause addiction from which young people would not able to quit it in their later life. As a result, it could negatively affect their physical and both mental health.
In this project, we aim to explore the causes and consequences of underage smoking, of how the tobacco and nicotine harm the teenage body. Since teens are all under the age of 18, their body isn't maturized yet, which makes them vulnerable to all sorts of tobacco and all sorts of nicotine. The major reason why underage smoking takes place in the first place, that has been pointed out by many psychologists and doctors, is that lack of awareness plays a major role in starting these habits in the first place. That has been pointed out by doctors and psychologists, is that lack of awareness plays a major role in starting these habits in the first place. Without any awareness, teenagers are prone to start smoking cigarettes or vapes. We aim to spread awareness and to prevent underage smoking in all of our ways, such as giving out posters, creating online surveys, or publishing it on public media.
अंकल एक सिगरेट दे दे।
सिगरेट लेना है आपने?
जी सिगरेट दे दे।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Hashim Abbas. I am a clinical psychologist. Today I'll be talking about how underage smoking affects teenagers. So let's talk about the reason behind the underage smoking and the reason behind the addiction. First of all, there is a peer pressure among the students. They think that their peers, especially their friends and their people around them, they smoke and they do the cigarettes and vape. So that is why they also adopt this habit. Other than that, there is a social media culture as well. The social media flex that people do, that when they smoke, they look cool. So this is the major reason as well that they try underage smoking. And if I talk about the other reasons, environmental factors can be another reason as well. Domestic abuse, if they have seen, if they have any academic stress, this can lead to teenage smoking as well. It affects your brain region, specifically prefrontal cortex and hippocampus. What happens is, when underage people and underage teenagers smoke, they have less attention span, their memory shrinks a lot, and decision making also affects as well. So this is how the brain development affects in the teenager when they smoke. And if I talk about the cases in Pakistan, there are a lot of cases, especially when I talk about my practice. I've seen many cases of 14 to 15-year-olds students that come to me with vape addiction and cigarettes addiction. So they come and they have a lot of academic performance issues. They have a lot of issues in decision making. Other than that, I would suggest that they should go and seek for therapy, especially motivational therapy, where they feel like they are not quitting, and this is how they can help themselves. Thank you.
Salam, I'm Dr. Fawzia Khan. I'm a doctor by profession, and I'm working in the health department since last 13 years as Director Planning and Development in Directorate General Health Services, Punjab.
Cigarettes and vape addiction is an escalating issue in our country, especially among the youth. What are your thoughts on that?
This is very important health issue because selling tobacco and tobacco-containing products, they are illegal, one, and the secondly, it has very health hazards. It causes cancers, not only the lung cancers but the mouth and lips cancer as well, and it has other effects overall.
You are aware of the fact that it is illegal to sell cigarettes or vape to anyone under the age of 18?
Yes, of course, it is illegal, and The government has taken so many actions for this because there is mention on every pack of cigarette that it is illegal to sell under 18 inch.
Does the government have a way forward towards dealing with this issue at national level?
Exactly, because health and well-being is the priority of the government, and the government in its allied departments like the health and anti-narcotics and drug control authorities and departments, they work in collaboration to control these activities. And we have the rural action. We have a control. The government has a control on the selling persons and the purchasers as well. So that's why along the side, we always be the part of increasing or giving the awareness to the community as well. The community must know their role and their responsibility, that whatever is illegal or banned by the government is not allowed.
Still, this law is being broken in broad daylight. Why no effective actions are being taken to curb this?
There are laws and ordinances to control these irregularities, but we need some more awareness towards the public and general community as well. The youth must understand that this is illegal and this is dangerous for their health. Otherwise, there is a health ordinance in 2022. Government has approved that ordinance in which the selling tobacco and tobacco containing products, including e-cigarettes, vape, etc., they're illegal to sell to all the young kids.
What is your message to the youth and to those who are selling illegally to them?
My message to all those who are selling tobacco containing products and cigarettes to the young kids is there are laws and they are very strict. There is a range for this offence, starting with the fine penalties, monetary fine penalties and till the imprisonment as well. So they should be aware of it. And second, all those kids, please, being a doctor, your health is our priority. So you just need to be conscious about your health, which is not good for your health. You should avoid it.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछने थे। आप ये सिगरेट्स बेचते हैं और ये वेप्स बेचते हैं, आपकी शॉप का क्या नाम है?
तंबाकू कैफे हमारी शॉप का नाम।
अच्छा, तो आपसे मैंने सवाल पूछना था कि आपके ख्याल में ये जो बच्चों को जो शॉपकीपर्स बेचते हैं, इनके साथ क्या होना चाहिए?
जो भाई गैर कानूनी बेचते हैं, जो कम वाले अफराद को देते हैं, उनके लिए FIR होनी चाहिए, जो उनके साथ साथ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। जो गैर कानूनी है हमारे यहाँ यानी कि पाकिस्तान।
तो हुकूमत ने आपके ख्याल में क्या किया है इसको रोकने के लिए? हुकूमत ने कुछ किया है?
इसके लिए रोके उसके लाइसेंस बना हुआ है, उनके पास लाइसेंस है।
आपके पास वो लाइसेंस है?
मेरे पास इंशाल्लाह है पड़ा, हमारा लाइसेंस बना हुआ है।
ठीक हो गया।
जिनके पास लाइसेंस नहीं होता फिर वो गैर कानूनी तरीके से बेचते हैं, कम अफराद को देते हैं। ये नुकसान है हमारे मुल्क में, ये बच्चे भी इससे ख़राब होते हैं, फिर बीमारी भी लगते हैं इसलिए ये नहीं बेचना चाहिए।
और ये जो स्कूल्स के पास से जो वेप शॉप्स होती हैं जो कि बच्चों को बेचते हैं, इनके लिए क्या आपके ख्याल में इनके साथ क्या होना चाहिए?
स्कूल के पास जो उनका एक कारोबार ही है, स्कूल के पास बेच रहे हैं, लेकिन वो कम उम्र बच्चे वाले नहीं, जिनके पास ID कार्ड है 18+ से ऊपर हैं, उनके लिए फिर वो है पड़ा वो देने पड़ते हैं। अगर लाइसेंस है पड़ा, अगर बगैर लाइसेंस के हैं तो फिर वो नहीं बनता उनका।
कभी आपके साथ ये हुआ है कि आपने किसी अंडर एज को बेचा हो या किसी बच्चे ने गलती से बेच दिया और आपके साथ कभी कोई हुकूमत ने कोई कार्रवाई की हो या
हमारे साथ अभी तक कभी कोई ऐसा सीन नहीं हुआ?
खिलाफ कभी कोई काम नहीं हुआ?
अभी तक कोई ऐसा सीन नहीं हुआ। 1.5 साल हो गया दुकान चलाते हैं, आज तक अलहम्दुलिल्लाह।
ठीक हो गया, शुक्रिया।
Oh, this is very nice, माशाल्लाह. Thank you very much for sharing. So ये कहाँ पे प्लेस करोगे आप?
ऑन द रोड्स, पार्क में, ताकि दूर दूर के बच्चों और टीन्स को पता चले कि स्मोकिंग करना हार्म है टू द बॉडी।
सही है, बहुत अच्छी बात है। और जहाँ तक हो सकते हैं ना, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स जहाँ पे बैठते हैं ना ज़्यादा होते हैं, वहाँ पे रखो। ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्त आपका आइडिया है। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यही है ना कि आप इसे रिलेट करते हो, बिकॉज यू आर द यंगस्टर्स, ठीक है? क्योंकि आप यंगस्टर्स हो, आप रिलेट करते हो। दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ गुड फॉर योर लाइफ, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर सोसाइटी। ये आपको भी पता है और मुझे भी पता है, राइट? तो जितना ज़्यादा आप इसको क्रिएट करोगे ना अवेयरनेस, जितना ज़्यादा आप बच्चों के साथ बात करोगे कि ये आपने नहीं करना, उतना ज़्यादा आप लोगों के लिए बेहतर होगा।